Luigi Mangione arriving at the Blair County Courthouse for an extradition hearing today. We're continuing our coverage of the process for the man who is believed to have shot and killed the United Healthcare CEO. Thanks so much for being with us tonight at 11. I'm Marty Radovanek. Mangione arrested Monday at an Altoona McDonald's. Jordan Mansberger was at the Blair County Courthouse today and heard from Mangione's attorney. So, Jordan, what more can you tell us?
Well, the Blair County Courthouse was the center of all of the attention today, as Luigi Mangione is in no rush to get back to New York. His attorney now has 14 days to apply for a hearing to determine whether or not his detention here in Pennsylvania is lawful.
We do not intend to delay this defendant's extradition to New York.
Blair County District Attorney Pete Weeks assuring New York authorities on Tuesday that he'll work to extradite suspected shooter Luigi Mangione as soon as possible. Mangione is resisting that move and had this to say on his way into the courthouse.
And it's completely out of touch. And it's an insult to the intelligence of the American people and its lived experience.
Mangione said little inside the courtroom after he was advised by his attorney, Thomas Dickey, not to.
I said earlier, use your common sense. If you put yourself in, you or a loved one in that position, it's, natural, I think, to go through many emotional states. As far as him not talking, as long as I'm going to be the lawyer, I'm going to do all the talking.
Mangione was charged with murder Monday night after hours of questioning by Altoona police and detectives from NYPD. He was arrested after customers and workers inside this McDonald's recognized him from photos of the shooting that were released last week. He's facing several charges in Pennsylvania as well, including a gun charge and giving a fake ID to an officer.
Today, when I entered my appearance, and for the record, he's pleading not guilty to those offenses.
Dickey wouldn't share much during a press conference about what discussions he has had so far with Mangione and stated that he has not seen any evidence yet to support that he is the shooter.
If the government charges a person with a crime, they have to prove that. Okay, and they have to have some evidence. All right, so we got it. Like I said, you can look on this table, and here's all the evidence I have right here, guys. So zoom in.
Now, Dickey also said that he is not sure yet whether or not they will apply to try to move back Mangione's preliminary hearing. That is scheduled for December 23rd. For now, in studio, I'm Jordan Mansberger, WTAJ News.